We're going to show a pendulum sweep today. To get a good pendulum sweep, I'm going to sweep to this side, so I will control this arm here. I'm going to control it lightly so he doesn't panic right away. He shouldn't be scared of it. I enter the elbow here. I just grab it lightly so he doesn't pull it away. I need to go deep under the leg until the elbow. So I lift, I go all the way in. As soon as I do this, my guard is open. I lift the leg and I sweep. Notice the control here. I keep the control of the leg until I'm in position and I finish the mount. Okay, one more time. Light control of the wrist, relaxing the arm so he doesn't pull it back. Open, get deep under, elbow deep. Lift the legs, sweep.